Very good morning. Today we are discussing about Thevenin's theorem. Thevenin's theorem provides a method of simplifying a circuit to a standard equivalent form. This theorem can be used to simplify the analysis of complex circuits. Statement: any linear bilateral network may be reduced to simplified two-terminal circuit consisting of a single voltage source, that means Thevenin's voltage, in series with a single resistor, R equivalent or R Thevenin's, that means R equivalent resistor or Thevenin's resistance. Procedure: first point, remove the load resistance RL. Load resistance will be removed and put on open circuit across the terminal. Second one, find the voltage across the open circuited terminal, VThevenin's or open circuit voltage. Find the equivalent resistance RThevenin's as seen from open circuited terminals by replacing the voltage source by its internal resistance. Draw the Thevenin's equivalent circuit by a VThevenin's in series with the equivalent resistance RThevenin's. Last point, find the current through the RL applying Ohm's law. That means load current IL is equal to VThevenin's divided by RThevenin's plus RL. Then first of all, explanation of the circuit diagram. Here in this circuit diagram, then one voltage source R1, R2, R3 and connected across the in between the element of A and B, that means load resistance. The current flowing through the RL means load current. First point, then step 1, open circuit the load resistor RL. Then first initially the load resistance are removed from the A and B terminal. First of all, open circuit, that means open circuit voltage or Thevenin's voltage. And then second point, find the open circuit voltage VThevenin's. That means VThevenin's equal to potential across the terminals A. Here potential across the terminal A and B. Here potential across the resistor R2. Here VThevenin's is equal to I into R2. In this diagram, here R2 is a voltage, open circuit voltage, and also across the element of R2. Here find out the Thevenin's voltage is equal to total current into R2. That is I is equal to E divided by R1 plus R2. In this diagram, here the open circuit voltage, then calculate the I, then total current is equal to I is equal to V divided by R1 plus R2. Resistance R1 and R2 is connected in series, and then R3 there is no current flow because in the open circuit of the terminal A and B. Here we have to calculate the load current, that means source current I is equal to E divided by R1 plus R2. Here VThevenin's is equal to E into R2 divided by R1 plus R2. That means Thevenin's voltage. Here Thevenin's voltage means here the voltage division formula applied. Here particular resistance divided by sum of resistance. Then total voltage into particular resistance divided by sum of resistance. That means here we have to calculate the Thevenin's voltage is equal to E into R2 divided by R1 plus R2. Step 3, find the Thevenin's equivalent resistance R Thevenin's. Here already the procedure will be told. Here when the open resistance for the A and B terminal, that means load resistance, here the source are connected, source are short circuited, and then when we open the load resistance, here to calculate the R equivalent means and then seeing from open circuit side. Here in this diagram, Here R1 and R2 is a parallel. Here R1 into R1 R2 is a parallel. Here parallel formula R1 into R2 divided by R1 plus R2, and R3 is a series combination. Here R Thevenin is equal to R12 plus R3. Then next load current, we have to calculate the Thevenin's voltage and then R Thevenin's, and then next then open circuit resistance, that means load resistance are connected to the A and B in between the terminal. Then next we have to calculate the Ohm's law formula. Here I is equal to V divided by R. Here Thevenin's voltage R Thevenin plus RL. Next one problem, obtain the Thevenin's equivalent circuit at terminals PQ of the following active network. Here 10 volt, 40 ohm, 30 ohm, 20 ohm, and P and Q is the open source. Here the given data, supply voltage is equal to 10 volt. Then draw the Thevenin's equivalent circuit. Step 1, find the open circuit voltage, that means Thevenin's voltage. Then V Thevenin's, that is equal to potential across the terminals P and Q. That means potential across the terminal P and Q is equal to potential across the 30 ohm resistor. Here V Thevenin's is equal to I into 30. Here next we have to calculate the current. I is equal to V divided by R. Here the total resistance, that means is a total current, we have to calculate the, then total voltage is equal to 10, then sum of the resistance, then 40 ohm, 30 ohm, 2 ohm are connected in series, that is equal to 40 plus 30 plus 2 is equal to 10 divided by 72. Here 0.14 amps. Then V Thevenin is equal to total current into 30 ohm. Here V Thevenin is equal to 4.2 volt. And then next we calculate the R Thevenin's. Here R Thevenin's means, and then open circuit, we are seeing the open circuit side, and then voltage source are short circuited. Then 2 ohm and 40 ohm are series and 30 ohm are parallel. Here 20 ohm is the series combination. Then already I told R12 is equal to R1 plus R2. Then R12 is equal to 2 plus 40. That means series combination 42. R23, in this combination R12 into R3 divided by R12 plus R3. Here the resistance are connected in parallel combination R1 into R2 divided by R1 plus R2. Here 42 into 30 divided by 42 plus 30, that is equal to 1260 divided by 72. Then R123 is equal to 17.5, and then series combination of the 20 ohm, that means is a R Thevenin 17.5 plus 20, that is equal to R Thevenin is equal to 37.5 ohm. Then next draw the equivalent circuit. Then first of all we have to calculate the Thevenin's voltage 4.2 volt and R Thevenin is equal to 37.5 ohm. In between the P and Q is a open source terminal. Thank you.